The significance of the study is the importance of the research and its impact on the field of study. It explains why the research was needed and how it contributed to it.
So, in simple explanation, yung significance of the study, ito yung kung paano mag-benefits yung ginagawa nating research sa mga tao. Kung ano yung nga ba yung impact nito sa lipunan natin. So, why is it important? So, firstly, yung dapat alamin natin yung importance ng research natin. Pangalawa, kung mag-benefit nga ba siya sa society and sa science. Tapos, makakatulong din ito sa mga readers para mas malaman pa nila ay mas lumalim pa yung kaalaman nila. So, where is it stated? So, ang significance of the study, usually in-state siya sa introduction section ng ating research paper. So, is there any question?